Good afternoon, back with another video here. Got this Range Rover. Just came back from a long trip, and we have previously worked in this one before, and it's saying that it has some kind of oil leak that the customer's complaining about. We looked on the ground right here. We don't see no oil leak. That's just the remnants from the rain. The vehicle has been up on the lift for a while, and the vehicle is running. So we're just gonna go ahead and take a look. We're gonna check it out and see what's going on with it. So this vehicle previously came in, and then we had looked at it and we steam cleaned the bottom. But right now, it does not look like the oil is pouring. Before, it was getting into the alternator and getting into the AC compressor and stuff like that. There should be a little bit of oil that is still trapped in the frame because it's been leaking for a while. And if we look on top right there, we can see that the valve cover is also starting to seep on the left side. The right side we can't see it that much, but I did notice something. You see all this green right here? What he's actually probably seeing on the ground, it's the coolant that might be leaking at a high rate, right? If we go back over here, we're gonna see remnants of the coolant that's running down the back side of the engine right there, right? We can see it running down the back side of the engine if you look up in there. Right there, it's coming down like tears right there. So this is definitely gonna be needing to do a water outlet hoses, and all the bypass plastic hoses needs to be upgraded. If you can look at it right there, you can see it's leaking. Right there, but it does not appear to have any oil leaks. What he's actually seeing, it's leaking from the coolant system. And you can see that hose is also tearing down right there. So water pump and coolant lines needs to be replaced. If he doesn't do that, it's probably going to crack when he's on the highway, and then he's going to be needing a $13,000 engine replacement. This is what happens when you ignore the maintenance on Range Rovers. Got to make sure you stay on top of the maintenance. Antifreeze leaking everywhere, and it's coming from the pipe that connects the cylinder head on the back. If you look straight up there, you can probably see that pipe is a little cracked, if you could see. And it's pissing down the back of the side of the engine. All right, so I'm gonna report this to the customer and just basically ask him what he wants to do. You're gonna have to remove the supercharger on the engine in order to gain access to the belly where all those pipes are located, and change out all those pipes from the plastic ones over to the metal pipes. Pretty intensive job. Probably gonna run somewhere in the range of $2,500 to $2,800. But I don't know if he's gonna do it. I hope he will. That way we can save this 3.0 engine. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you guys back on the next one.